Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup of the device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with the screen right like this one, and all you need to do at the start is select your desired language. So I'm gonna find my language, which looks to be right over here. And from there I can tap on Let's Go to proceed with the setup. Next page we have terms of use, so let's tap on next and then agree, obviously, otherwise we can't really go any further. And this will take us to the Wi-Fi section. So here we have the option to connect to Wi-Fi. Assuming the device wasn't resetted and FRP locked, you can skip this. If it is locked, then in this case you are required to connect to Wi-Fi, and this won't be visible at the bottom. But if you basically are setting this device up as a completely new one out of the box, then you should be able to skip it. Now the downside of skipping connecting to Wi-Fi, as you won't have the option to log into a Google account if you wanted to, at least not throughout the setup, which you can later on change in the settings. So once you connect to your network in the settings, you can also connect to Wi-Fi if you want, or to your Google account if you want to. So I'm going to skip it for now. This will take me to date and time. Now this is assuming you didn't connect to any kind of network, otherwise date and time will be set automatically and this page will be just skipped altogether. So you could change the date and time assuming it's not correct, and then tap on next. And we have Google services with location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can read exactly what each one of them does by tapping on the arrow right here to extend it and have like a full guide or explanation of it. And at the end of the day, if you don't want them, you can disable them, as you can see. From there you can scroll all the way down, tap on accept, and proceed further to the protection of your device. So here you can set up either a screen lock, a fingerprint, or skip it if you don't want any of those. Now if you want to set up, for instance, a fingerprint, you are still required to also add a some kind of screen lock protection, so that'd be PIN, pattern, or password. But if you want to add just a screen lock, you are not required to have a fingerprint. I'm not going to really bother with it, so I'm just going to, let's just add a screen lock right here. So I'm going to go here with a pattern. So from here, I'm going to draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw it, and confirm it. And voila, we now have a pattern, and apparently that also finishes up the setup. So, as you can see, this is how you could go through the setup of this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.